packing for a desert trip? What do you bring?
Well, first thing that you need to have your passport. That's
Yes,
very important.
Very, 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 very important. Yeah.
Also, when you arrive, you need to see where you're going. Either if you are just coming to Sinai, Taba, Nuweiba, Dahab, St. Catherine, Sharm el-Sheikh, you can have 14 and fly to Sharm el-Sheikh airport. You can have 14 days free visa to travel through these areas. If you are gonna go to like farther areas like the way to Cairo or like going Abu Znaima, Sarabit al-Khadim, doing farther desert, farther than St. Catherine, then you need 30 days visa.
Yeah. Or if you're staying longer than 2 weeks.
If you, you need 30 days visa. So passport is important. Then you need hiking shoes if you're gonna go into the desert.
Good hiking shoes, with good grip.
Because you're gonna hike in, climb, go down, rocky mountain.
Then
what else?
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Yeah.
Like
sunscreen.
You.
Yes.
Sunscreen. Warm clothes. You need to have you come from Europe. You think Egypt is hot.
Yeah, but
it is hot. But sometimes it gets
1 hour later. You'll need this.
You have the 4 seasons in one day in the Sinai.
And you're gonna need this.
Yeah. So you need a cap to cover your ears.
And you need a scarf.
Scarf, maybe. And I mean, what makes me feel cold is my ears, my hands, my feet. So if you can have gloves to cover your hands, a hat to cover your ears, socks to cover your feet, you're not gonna be cold.
You're good, yeah.
Or if you don't have all of this, we have blankets we give you. You just wrap it around yourself and you feel warm.
Yeah, exactly. So you want what kind of clothes? Stretchy pants? Yeah, ideally. If
something comfortable, you can walk with it comfortably.
Something you can climb, you can lift your feet, you can lift your legs. So that's always a good idea.
And also, if you're spending the night, you need something comfortable to sleep with. You need to bring a towel as well because, yes, you're not going to shower, but you're going to brush your teeth, you're going to maybe splash your face with some water from the sand and the dust. So you need a towel to dry with.
Also, a sun head for the day.
Yeah, that's something you need as well.
Yeah, can also be
I don't need it, but you need it as well.
I do need it, yes. Yeah. Layers, layers, layers. Right, so overnight, toothbrush, maybe sunscreen, something because your skin's going to be dry, so you might want some nice cream, you might want some lip balm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not for kissing. Well, you can do it in the desert, it's fine.
Yeah.
I mean the kissing.
I get it. Right, so small day pack for during the hike. Yeah, one that you can have your bottle in ideally, or your bits and pieces.
With the desert and river.
With the logo. Yeah.
Yeah, I think you can have that stuff.
Yeah, if you're taking a lot of stuff, make sure you have like a soft, bigger pack duffel bag or just a regular bag with handles, a soft bag, not a hard suitcase.
Yeah,
for all your overnight stuff and your warm stuff. Yeah.
And also like a day bag to, like you said, to carry the stuff with you when you are
crossbody or small backpack. Yeah.
To put your phone in or something when you are hiking in the canyon, carry your water, something like that.
Yeah. Water
also,
bottle?
you can bring alcohol with you.
You can, yeah, sure.
If you are alcohol drinker and want to bring alcohol with you, you are allowed to bring 3 liters of hard alcohol with you into Egypt. And it's better to bring your own alcohol from your country because the hard alcohol in Egypt, it doesn't taste nice.
You're going to get the leftovers, right?
It doesn't taste nice. Okay. Well, I don't drink at the moment, but yes, when I was drinking, I was taking the leftovers.
Right. So, medication. Very important if you have or are on any medication or just a regular. I mean, we have a first aid kit, of course, but maybe you have your own preferred stuff, so take that as well.
And if you have like asthma, if you have something like really important, you need to bring your medical with you.
Yeah.
Hand cream.
Yeah, power bank.
power bank. That's
Yeah.
important. If you have more than one, it's better to bring to
Yeah.
recharge your phone, your camera, especially if you're going for more than one day.
Yes. Yeah. So yeah, little gifts, snacks that you prefer or to give away, like for the kids that we meet.
Yeah,
It's
like
always nice.
pencils, like
Yeah.
pencils,
Pencils,
books,
books, sweets.
anything.
Yeah.
Books with picture, because they don't read English, but they
Yeah.
would look the pictures. So
Yeah.
something with pictures.
Coloring
if you wanna-
pencils. Yeah.
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 Also, if you have old stuff that you're not gonna use, you're gonna give away, you can
Yeah,
bring
but that's
also
still
for the
good.
locals to
Yeah.
give. Like,
Pretty much blankets, all that kind of stuff we have, so we
we
don't
have
need
the
to bring
blankets,
that.
we have
Yeah.
everything else.
Yeah. So just your warm clothes and